Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking to keep your food simple and really let the ingredients speak for themselves, then you're gonna want a really high quality olive oil. I wanna show you the Olizzi Premium Organic Olive Oil. This stuff is amazing. So first of all, it really packs a punch in terms of flavor, but also in nutritional value. So it has a really high polyphenol count and it is just delicious. This olive oil is made in Turkey, and these olives are hand-picked when they are green and ripe, and then they are immediately cold pressed for extracting the highest nutritional value and really preserving the freshness and flavor of the olive oil. And let me tell you, it has definitely worked. This olive oil is so delicious. So not all olive oil is created equal, and this really is a premium quality. So when you taste this olive oil, you can really truly taste the olive flavor to it. It has a beautiful brightness to it. It's a little bit grassy and it's a little bit fruity, and it has a slight peppery essence to it, which I absolutely love. So this is an olive oil that you actually want to taste on your food. So it is delicious on salads, or even just to dip your bread into. You can put this on so many things and it is going to really enhance the flavor of your dishes. It also comes in an everyday olive oil, which is a little bit lighter in flavor. They also have olive oil packets that you can throw in your lunchbox. I love that this is packaged in a dark glass bottle, so it really does help to protect it from light and keep it as fresh as possible. And when I tell you that you're not going to be disappointed in this olive oil, I truly mean it. It is absolutely delicious, and that is my point of view.